हम आज एक ऐसी अदाकारा के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो बेहद सुंदर हैं, साथ ही उनके टैलेंट का बोलबाला सारी ओर है। उनकी पर्सनैलिटी कुछ इस तरह की है कि सभी उनके दीवाने बन जाते हैं। कई सालों से वो टीवी जगत के साथ साथ अब फिल्मों में भी अपना जादू बिखेरती नजर आने लगी हैं। जी हाँ, वो कोई और नहीं, आपकी चहेती एक्ट्रेस और मॉडल करिश्मा तन्ना है। चलिए आज हम आपको उनकी जिंदगी की कहानी के कुछ पन्नों से रूबरू कराते हैं। करिश्मा तन्ना का जन्म 21 दिसंबर 1983 को हुआ था। She is an Indian film actress, model and anchor who predominantly works in Hindi films and shows. She is well known for her role in क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, नागार्जुन एक योद्धा। 2014 में वो कलर्स टीवी के कंट्रोवर्शियल रियलिटी शो बिग बॉस का हिस्सा रह चुकी हैं। She also appeared in more reality shows like जरा नच के दिखा in 2008, नच बलिए in 2015 and झलक दिखला जा in 2016। 2013 में उनके ग्रैंड मस्ती के साथ बॉलीवुड डेब्यू के बाद शी appeared in Tina and Lolo in 2016, which also features Sunny Leone, as well as Sanjay Dutt's love interest in biopic film Sanju in 2018 opposite Ranbir Kapoor। तन्ना का जन्म और पालन पोषण एक गुजराती परिवार में हुआ था। She lives with her mother and is very close to her, and her father died in October 2012। 2014 में तन्ना ने एक्टर उपेन पटेल को डेट करना स्टार्ट किया था। They met inside the Big Boss house and later she even got engaged to him। In 2016, they both split up। The Karishma Tanna Upen Patel love story began and climaxed on TV। Both actors met at the Big Boss house and fell head over heels in love with each other। During their stint on Naj Baliye, Patel proposed to Tanna and their love story seemed to be moving forward without any glitches। Then came the news of their breakup and audiences couldn't understand why one of the hottest TV couples would break up at all। उसके बाद एक इंटरव्यू के दौरान करिश्मा तन्ना revealed the reason behind their separation। करिश्मा ने बताया, Sometimes there is no answer to what went wrong। Sometimes two wonderful people or good souls are not meant to be together। That's what happened to us। Upen is a wonderful soul। We connected very strongly, but things didn't move the way we wanted it to। It's not that I don't want to settle down or I am jumping from one relationship to another। We both wanted to settle down, but if we don't see our future together, then it's better to part ways। Karishma Tanna was also in a rumored relationship with Karan Tekar in the show of Kitchen Champion in the year 2019। Tanna appeared in Balaji Telefilms' one of the most popular soap opera क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी from July 2000 to November 2008, where she played the character of Indu। She also appeared in Balaji Telefilms' drama production कहीं तो मिलेंगे from November 2002 to 2003। Tanna worked as the female lead for the TV series कोई दिल में है from December 2003 to February 2005 as Kritika। Tanna signed up with project while still working for क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, as her role in क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी was not that a major character। Moreover, कोई दिल में है was a weekly show। Tanna worked for the TV program एक लड़की अनजानी सी from November 2005 to September 2007, playing the negative character Aisha। Tanna was also a part of Rajshri Productions show प्यार के दो नाम, एक राधा एक श्याम from April 2006 to September 2006। BR Films signed her up for their drama TV series Virasat from June 2006 to July 2007। She played the role of Natasha, a secretary। In 2008, Karishma participated in the dance reality show Zara Nach Ke Dikha। In September 2006, Tanna made her theatre debut with her English Farsi romantic comedy Perfect Wedding, directed by Vandana Sajnani। The work was adapted from Robin Houdon's British play of the same name। Tanna participated in stage-based comedy TV series Comedy Circus that started in June 2007. She later came back in Comedy Circus Mahasangram in February 2010. Tanna hosted a magic-based reality TV show, India's Magic Star, that went on air in July 2010. She also acted in children's television program Balveer from October 2012 to 2013, playing the role of Rani Pari। Tanna was a celebrity contestant in the popular controversial color show Bigg Boss 8, which started airing in 2014 in the month of September. She spent full 4 months inside the house and became a finalist and the first runner-up of the show. In 2015, Tanna participated in the 7th season of dance couple reality show Nach Baliye along with Upen Patel. In November 2015, Karishma appeared as a celebrity guest in Star Plus's talk show Aaj Ki Raat Hai Zindagi, which was hosted by Amitabh Bachchan. In March 2016, Karishma made a guest appearance in the popular stunt reality show Fear Factor Khatro Ke Khiladi in its 7th season. Tanna appeared as a celebrity guest in a popular comedy show Comedy Nights Bachao, which aired on Colors TV, first with Upen in February and later in the same year in August 2016 for promoting Jhalak Dikhla Ja. She again made a small cameo appearance in Comedy Nights Bachao along with Heli Shah for one episode. Karishma participated in the celebrity dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja in 2016. Tanna is playing the role of Nagin in Life OK's show Nagarjuna Ek Yodha. In January 2017, Tanna was judging Big Magic's reality show Big Mem Saab along with Sambhavna Seth, Pritam Singh in 2017. खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 10 में करिश्मा तन्ना अपने बेबाक अंदाज से सभी का दिल जीतती नजर आ रही हैं। उनके अलावा बलराज, धर्मेश और करण पटेल भी फिनाले की इस जंग का हिस्सा होंगे। कलर्स टीवी's रियलिटी शो खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 10 is currently gearing up for a thrilling finale. आखिरकार शो को कौन जीतेगा वो तो आने वाला समय ही बताएगा। परिणाम जो कुछ भी हो, करिश्मा तन्ना ने ना कभी हार मानी थी ना कभी मानेंगी। हम आशा करते हैं कि वो इसी तरह प्रगति की सारी ऊंचाइयां छूती जाएं। इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.